Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we've got a rock tumbling video, more specifically talking about costs involved, a little bit of DIY, and how you can make your rock tumbling experience a little better, I think, a little more cost effective, because let's face it, rock tumbling can get a little expensive. All the grit you have to buy on a continual basis, all of the tumbling media especially, which is what we're going to talk about, can really add up. The tumbling media, come over here just a little bit. You can see this bag of ceramic beads costs about, I think, say it was about probably $20 for just this 5-pound bag. And really, I started thinking about it. You know, that's something that I think can be eliminated. So we're going to show you how to make your own ceramic tumbling media today. So for comparison, you see on the right, we've got a ceramic tile. Now the material in this ceramic tile is the same as the material in this bag of ceramic beads. Yet this tile only cost me 50 cents at my local thrift store. I got 4 of them. And what I'm going to do today is crush this up and make it into about the same size as these beads. What we're going to do is we're going to smash this thing with a sledgehammer. And to keep the dust down and to protect our eyes, we're going to put another towel on top. We'll take this sledgehammer and we're going to give it a couple whacks. Okay, so we've got some larger pieces here, and you can see if you zoom down just a little bit more here, this is the size we're looking for. This is about the size of the ceramic media that we use, that we buy. And so I'm going to smash up the rest of these pieces and hopefully get it down to about this size for all of them. So after a little bit of smashing, we've got the ceramic tile down to about this size. And I've sorted out the pieces that I want to keep. We've got about 1/8 inch minus, and I think that's where I'll keep it. And then I'll keep smashing this stuff until I get about to the same size and see how much I get. Okay, we're getting there. I'm going to sort this out, add some more to the bucket, and we'll keep smashing until we get it all about the same size. So after just a few minutes of crushing, I managed to get one tile broken up. Now the size isn't as small as these beads, but just a little bit more smashing, I think, with a sledgehammer. And get it down a little smaller. Before I use it, also I'm going to tumble it, and that'll probably smash it up a little bit more. I might put in maybe a couple of big rocks to let it tumble around and smash up for a couple of days, and let's see what happens. Honestly, I think this is actually going to work pretty well. So far that was 5 pounds, and this is about 2 to 3 pounds, I think, so far. And I've got 3 more of these tiles I can make. I'm gonna go break those up and see if I can fill this bucket up. I've got several pounds of this broken up tile versus a few pounds of beads. Now, the size of this broken tile is still a little bit bigger than what I want it to be. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it into the 12-pound Lortone tumbler. I'm going to put something large in there, like maybe a big agate. This is a Brazilian agate. Let it tumble for a while and let these larger pieces get smashed up. I think that should be enough. Still got quite a bit left. Stick a couple of big rocks in here and let it tumble for a while. A little water in there. Let this stuff break down. Okay, so we've got a lower tone 12-pound tumbler. It's full of the ceramic medium and a couple of big rocks. Let this go for a few days and we'll check in on it, see how things are going. Well, it's been about 2 days now and I've had these ceramic tile crumbles and pieces tumbling in the 12-pound barrel, and I think it's actually going to work out pretty well. So they got pretty smooth, and let's take a look and see. Yeah, so I think this actually worked out really well. It's not like as small as maybe some of the stuff you buy online is. I mean, a lot of it is. We got some big chunks here, but honestly, for what I use it for, I think it'll work just fine. So, moral of the story is, go find yourself some cheap ceramic tiles at the thrift store and make your own ceramic beads for tumbling. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one.